There's no doubt in my mind that it was created in the laboratory, a consequence of gain-of-function research that was actually conducted in China in the Wuhan lab, but it was funded by the United States. So, when people want to just dump on China, the United States funded this research, and several U.S. investigators were involved in the research. And, certain scientists have attacked me and others suggesting it came from the laboratory because they're trying to protect gain-of-function research. Certain people like Fauci and certain scientists believe the goal is to learn how pathogens become more pathogenic for humans so that we'll be prepared when they do become more pathogenic for humans. In other words, we create the pathogens to be prepared to confront it. I don't agree with that logic, but that was their logic. The other logic is, and this is something Justice Scalia, when he was on a panel that I had asked him to be on in Italy, in a meeting that I chaired, I had a session on what does science expect of society, and then I had an afternoon on what does society expect of science. Justice Scalia was insightful to the scientists. Is the problem, you scientists, is you ask the question, but you never ask, should you ask the question? In other words, so, and that's how science is. Some people believe every question needs to be asked. They never try to reflect on should it be asked. So this virus was definitely created as a consequence.